today I wanted to show you how to go through all the factory presets we ship with Vythm on Autopilot, so you can just see the variety of things Vythm has to offer without doing anything and just letting it play on itself. What you wanted to do for this is you wanted to go into the settings menu on the top right side, and then you can scroll here to select the different tabs. We wanted to go to the random tab because we wanted to randomize. Then you select the factory presets because we wanted to randomize the factory presets. And if you click on the gear next to it, you can configure which factory presets we wanted to go through. In this case, I added a select all button, which simply deselects or select all the presets we have. So in this case, more than 500. And if you enable the autopilot, then it will go through all the different presets every 5 seconds in this case. So you can define a time over here. We have 10 seconds, we have 15 seconds, we have up to several minutes. It's up to you what time you wanted to configure. And it's worth to mention that we have a timer over here on the right side. So you see whenever the next randomization happens. And this way you can just let Vythm play on its own. It's going through all the presets. You can see what Vythm has to offer. And it's just beautiful to discover new things. So hope you enjoy this little trick and you will create some beautiful visuals.